Grr, Mondays. Oh, I'm just kidding. Work day today. Figured I'd take a video of my commute because that's what some people do, and I'm hungry for video. I like to share things. I think one of the best parts of my mornings when I get to ride the KLR into work is the fact that I get to ride the KLR into work. And it's also good, you work all day and you kind of know it's just chilling out there, and at lunchtime if you want to go for a rip, you can go for a rip, and then at the end of the day you're looking forward to like that ride home, which is nice. Plus I got a pretty good ride to work. Went out for a nice ride yesterday. Today is Monday, of course, and it's pretty good. Went out through the Dromore area, my favorite trails. That was fun. And we're zeroing in on 10,000K with this bike. We're gonna fill up all the numbers here soon. We'll get to 8,200 today for sure. Bye-bye home. See you in 8 or so hours. Pretty pleasant morning, gotta say. Yeah, this bike is definitely a commuter bike, for me at least. In addition to being an adventure bike and dual sport bike, street bike, all those things. One could say that it is the Swiss Army knife of the motorcycle community, but really there's no knives on it. It'd be neat if it came with a corkscrew, I guess, but you know what? I'm not saying the best bike, it's the best bike in the world, or it's the best bike that's ever been made. I'm not saying that it's not off the dinner table, that's for sure. Nice to see this road's finally all cleaned up. First of the spring, there's always a little bit of chop. Just a bit of chop. Our bike needs a wash too, really. It's covered in bugs, covered in dust. Yesterday was a dusty old day, jeez. Jeez, she was dusty. Almost worth cleaning the filter dusty. But just did it. So, I think we're fine. And that concludes the dirt portion of the of the commute. realize that I'm getting velocitized with this bike. What I mean by that is that the bike doesn't seem fast enough, which is foolish. It's clearly fast enough, but I can remember this time last year going this speed and being a new rider, I was like very on edge. But now I feel like I want to go faster than this, but there's no need of it, man. You know, when I take off from a stop, I feel like I want to be like flying off the stop. But the truth is that in reality, I'm going pretty quick coming off the stop like that. But reality is it's a 650 and it's a heavy 650. It's 430 some pounds. Hoping that goes away. I hope that's like a year 2 thing with new riders. Second season they want it to be fast, 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 and then after that it's kind of like, I like it. And chill out of it. Yeah, same for that at 100 already. That's not like, I'm not saying that 100 is fast, you know. 100 is definitely not fast in most people's books. But it's fast for the kind of people that drive cars with light bars and like to give out tickets, that's for sure, especially on this road, especially right now, where we've been having a real big problem with people speeding on the island. Cops keep pulling over. You young fellers going super fast. They haven't figured out what's going on yet. Yeah, we're gonna hit it. They keep catching them going near double the speed limit. It's like they're trying to go double. It's called double or nothing. Yeah, I was a kid. You know, I did it. It was hilarious. My dad always told me, he said, drive the speed that you're comfortable at. If you're not comfortable driving at 160 kilometers an hour on just 2 wheels, don't do it. I wouldn't recommend doing that at all, actually, but whatever. Some bikes are built to do that. This one, not so much. question every day. Do I go to work? Or do I go to the beach? Spoiler alert, I need to get money, so we're going to work. The beach isn't too far. We'll go to the beach afterward. Oh, poor feller. Skunks are misunderstood. You know, I firmly believe that. You might dislike skunks, but until you see a family of skunks, a mom and all of her babies, taking a stroll together, your opinion of skunks changes immediately. I think mine did. I was like, skunks, get rid of them, stay away from me, horrid creatures. I saw that and I was like, I'd like to give you all a hug. I'll suffer the consequences. Sunglasses. Work near the airport, so you get quite a bit of wind sometimes coming through here. Not too bad though. Nothing serious. Nothing I can't handle. Nothing anybody can't handle, really. Wow, that was the slowest takeoff. I guess you got a dog in there. Don't want to throw the dog out the window. Work. Well, there you have it. That's the morning commute. Do that every day on this bike, or as many days as I can. I even go when it's raining. I love it. Like I said, it's something I look forward to in the morning and in the afternoon when I get done. I get to avoid the annoying traffic. I get to almost get clipped by cars right here every time on my left side. Had a few close calls here actually. But I feel like if you try to take command of the lane, you're almost at more risk. In the dirt, where it belongs.